Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to have some more fun. We're going to do this green look because it's going to be for 420 and I want to really experiment and have some fun with this look. I have no idea how this look is going to come out, but I have an idea in my head of what I want to do. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this look comes out, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. So to start, we're going to go in with the P. Louise base like we always do. Going in with the matte book from the crayon case and start off with the transitional shade. We're going in with this transitional shade and tap that around. Perfect. Now it's time to go into a green color because it's going to be a green look like I was telling you guys. So we're going to go into this light green here and tap that around, right around where we just put the transitional shade. Tap it first and then start to blend it so there's no harsh line. And now we're going to go into this green here. Tap that right underneath where we put that other green. Next I'm going to go into this dark brown here and I'm going to tap that all over the lid. I'm going to go into this green here to go in between where that line is to be more of a transition between the transitional shade and the darker shade. Alright y'all, this is looking nice and blended. Baby oil. So this is the new technique I was telling you guys about. I saw someone using baby oil to help cut the grease. So this inner part here, I'm actually going to go into a shimmer. That is good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're about to just go ahead and put glitter in there anyway. Gonna go in with this glitter right here. Now we're gonna fill in the other side with P. Louise base. Alright, now we're going to go in with these makeup wipes from the crayon case. And we're going to clean this up. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Plus Matte Oil Control Lotion. Next, going into the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Powdering down the primer. Going in with the foundation. That is the Instabake from Beauty Bakery. Number 14 concealer from Juvia's Place. Benin foundation from Juvia's Place. Blend in the mouth. Go over the whole face with the chalk dust powder. Going into my contoursition notebook. and doing my contour. Going in with the old chalk dust powder. Heavy under the eyes. Blend the parts where the contour is. I'm going to put a black liner in my waterline. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the under eyes. I'm going to go into this dark brown here and just tap underneath the eye. Then go into this dark green. Tap that underneath the eye. Under that, going to go into this green and this green mixed, and then just kind of blend it underneath. I'm going to go ahead and go into my mascara. This is my Fenty Beauty mascara in Full Frontal. Now let's start blending away the excess powder. I'm going to go into the deep bronzer from e.l.f. Now we're going to blush up. I'm going to go into Always Rosy. I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette and into Yara right here. I'm going to go in with the Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case. Gonna line over the lash band with the black liner. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a nude lip. For the lips, I'm gonna go into some NYX colors. Going into Lipli number 10 to outline. I want a peachy nude, so I'm going into Lipli number 19. And then in with NYX Fortune Cookie. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself together and I'll be back. Alright Bright Beauty. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look. I've been having fun thinking outside the box and doing things that I wouldn't normally do. This look was inspired by Beats by Deb. She did a beautiful smoky eye version of this, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna do one with all green for 420. So that is what I did. This is the look. Let me know how you guys are feeling this look. Would you rock this? Do you think it's cute? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys are also loving these new artistic types of looks versus just doing regular looks all the time. I thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.